Hey there, my name is Brandon. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Today I wanted to talk about something that's been bothering me about Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. Now, right in between Marvel's Superhero Island, which is awesome, and the Skull Island, King Kong, Jurassic Park, Jurassic World area, is this place called Toon Lagoon, which I don't know that anybody likes. The whole area is themed around newspaper comic strips, probably from the 50s, 60s, and 70s. I was born in the 70s, and I don't know who half of them are. Broomhilda? Who knows who Broomhilda is? I know she's a witch because there's a big statue of her in the middle of the area, but I don't think anyone who was born after World War II knows who Broomhilda is. And I certainly don't think that any kids these days would be interested in hanging out in this area. So they've got these little signs up that, they have like thought bubbles and you can stand under them and take your picture with them. That's fine. But they have, all of these characters who are adorning these buildings that most people don't know or really care about. Like Flash Gordon. Flash Gordon, I guess, is a superhero detective. Kathy is a lady who really hates herself and her body. That's all I really know about her. I don't know if you want to eat at her ice cream shop. Blondie's is a sandwich shop based on the Blondie and Dagwood comic strip I'm sort of familiar with. But the last 2 times I've been there, that place has been closed. In fact, all of the places in Toon Lagoon have been closed. There's like an amphitheater right there that is empty. I think sometimes they use it for Hollywood Horror Nights. But I think most of the year it's just collecting dust. Marmaduke, Beetle Bailey, Heathcliff. Everyone loves Garfield. Nobody likes Heathcliff. I think technically Heathcliff predates Garfield. But he's not better than Garfield. I mean, Garfield's the bomb. We all hate Mondays. And most of us love lasagna. Heathcliff, I'm sorry, man. They've got nice water rides there. They've got the Popeye one where you get soaked and you can even if you're not riding the ride, you can go up on the boat and shoot down water cannons at the people who are on the ride. They're already drenched with water going under waterfalls, and you got this little tiny pew. And then they've got the Ripsaw Falls. It's a nice ride. But the whole rest of the area is just kind of a waste of prime real estate between 2 really good popular areas. Every time I've been there in the past couple of years, none of the restaurants in Toon Lagoon are open. And there's really no reason to go there. I mean, there's a couple of shops, but do you want a Beetle Bailey t-shirt? I don't want to sound overly negative. I just think that there's so much more they could do with that prime real estate in between 2 really popular areas. It's kind of hard, though, because what intellectual property does Universal own or have access to that isn't already owned by Disney? With Epic Universe being built, they've got the Nintendo area, which is going to be great. They've got classic monsters and I think the Harry Potter movies that don't have Harry Potter. Fantastic Beasts. There's not a lot that Disney doesn't own. SpongeBob. They've got the rights to SpongeBob. They've got the SpongeBob SquarePants. They've got the characters walking around in the parades. What if they turned that into Bikini Bottom and then you could go eat at the Krusty Krab or the Chum Bucket? They could make SpongeBob's Pineapple and Squidward's place and Patrick's place. There could be a lot of cool picture opportunities there and stuff. What do you guys think? Am I being too harsh? Do you like Toon Lagoon? Is there anything about that place that you enjoy? At least it's not as bad as the Fast and Furious ride, right? Or if you have a great idea of what they could do with that place, let me know. I'd love to hear it. Please let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Hey, this is Brandon. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you'd like. I'm never getting on this ride. Impossible.